Good morning, students. Here, Neela ma'am from SCAM Public School. Your online classes during lockdown. Today, students, I am going to teach you chapter number 6 of Geography. Chapter title is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Okay, today you are going to learn about natural vegetation and wildlife. So in natural vegetation we talk about forest, grasslands, tundra region vegetation, shrubs. So first of all, natural vegetation, it can be classified into broad categories as forest, grasslands, shrubs. It can be classified into three categories: forest, grasslands and shrubs. The growth of vegetation depends on temperature and moisture. It also depends on factors like slope and thickness of soil. The type and thickness of natural vegetation varies from place to place because of the variation in these factors. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories. First is forests. Forests which grow where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors, dense and open forests are grown. Here you are given pictures of dense forests. Forests which grow where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors, here dense and open forests are grown. So look at these pictures of dense and open forests. Then comes grasslands. Grasslands which grow in the region of moderate rain. The grasslands, जिसको चरागाहें बोलती हैं, घास के मैदान, बड़े बड़े घास के मैदान, these grow in the region of moderate rain. Here you are also given pictures of grasslands. Then comes shrubs. Shrubs are here thorny and scrubs grow in the dry region. Thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. We can see thorny bushes in the deserts, in thick tropical hardwood forests, in the humid regions. So the changes in the type of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climatic condition. So here you are given picture of shrubs. Thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. These type of vegetation grow in the dry region. They are thorny shrubs. This picture I think is also in your NCERT book. Then there are different types of forests. tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, Mediterranean vegetation, and coniferous. These all are 6 types of forest. You will study in detail about types of forests. Students, you will know about different types of natural vegetation of the world with their characteristic features and wildlife inhabiting there. So first type of forest, it is tropical evergreen forest. Students, these tropical evergreen forests are also called tropical rainforest. We call these rainforest. These thick forests occur in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. These trees don't shed their leaves altogether. Therefore, they are called evergreen. सदाबहार वन जिसको बोलते हैं जंगल. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. These are types of trees which are found in tropical evergreen forests. So the tropical forest here, tropical evergreen forest in Brazil is so enormous that it is like the lungs of the earth. Can you tell why? Why these forests are called lungs of the earth? Yes, think. Yes, why do we call these forests the lungs of the earth? Because evergreen forests are like the lungs of the earth, as the way lungs provide oxygen to our body. जैसे lungs हैं हमें क्या करते हैं, provide oxygen to our body. In the same way, these forests provide oxygen to the atmosphere and maintain its appropriate balance. That's why evergreen forests are like the lungs of the earth. These thick forests occur in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees don't shed their leaves altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees don't allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest, even in the daytime. Means the thick canopies of the closely spaced trees, they don't allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even in the daytime. Types of tree here are hardwood trees. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany. These are common here. Then, where in India do tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous forest occur? But you have recently read about tropical evergreen. So, tropical evergreen forests are found in Western Ghats the regions receiving heavy rainfall like Maharashtra and Goa, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, upper regions of Assam and coastal Tamil Nadu. Students, in these regions we can find tropical evergreen forests in India. Again repeating, in Western Ghats, where this region is receiving heavy rainfall like Maharashtra and Goa. Then in Lakshadweep, in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, upper regions of Assam and coastal Tamil Nadu. Then there is second type of forest, that is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical, in the next video you will learn about tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are the monsoon forest found in the larger part of India, Northern Australia and in the Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem and shisham. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport and constructional materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, langurs and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. So tropical deciduous forests in short are called monsoon forest. India, Northern Australia and Central America, these are found here. Seasonal changes, hardwood trees, sal, teak, neem, shisham, and animals are found here, lions, tigers, monkeys and elephants also. But in India, tropical deciduous forests are found in Assam, Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then in page number 41 of your NCERT book, in the corner right hand side, let's do question number 2 is which type of forest dominates most part of India? So tropical deciduous forest dominates most part of India. इंडिया में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कौन किस टाइप के फॉरेस्ट है? ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल लर्न अबाउट अदर types of forest, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous in the next video. So there it is, picture of tropical deciduous forest. I have explained this, and look at the picture, which type of animals are found. These pictures are also in your NCERT book at page number 41. Here the hardwood trees found in these forests. Types of hardwood trees are sal, teak, neem and shisham. Hardwood trees, these are extremely useful for making furniture, transport and constructional material. Animals like tiger, lions, elephant, langurs and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. So thank you. Presented by Neelam Jain. So students, thank you for watching and listening this topic. Until then, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. God bless all of us. Thank you.